this is where he's going to stop because I told him that we have to check for the wire for the electrical for coming in from the hydro pole, and he was about 2 inches of a clearance, so not a lot, but enough. Come on in, make yourself at home. Kick that subscribe button, leave a comment. So what we have here is the Sawhorse that I built, and nothing fancy, but it's foldable, and it works like a charm. So I made it for like the small logs to medium logs, because the one that I bought with the chain, it's a one-man operation, but it don't work really well when there's a small log in there. So I built this for the really small to medium logs, but it works for everything. I'm surprised how good it works. So what I did was took a tube from a lawn chair, cut a piece off and made a V in the bottom. And when the chain is tight, it goes into the V and it just holds the log there. So yeah, I need better chain, but other than that, this thing works like a charm. Oh yeah. See you on the next one.